Welcome to our quick and easy tutorial on how to add a vertical divider in Notion. Whether you're organizing your workspace, creating a project timeline, or just looking to add a bit of structure to your Notion pages, adding a vertical divider can visually separate content, making it easier for you and your team to navigate and understand information at a glance. Let's get started right at the beginning. The first thing you need to do is head over to Notion's homepage. It's the central hub where all your workspaces, docs, and projects live. Once you're there, you'll notice the option to log in. Click on that to proceed. Notion offers several login methods, but for ease and convenience, we suggest clicking on Continue with Google. It's a quick way to sign in without having to remember another password. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll be directed to choose the Google account you wish to use for Notion. If you've used multiple accounts on your device, you'll see them listed here. Click on the account you want to use for Notion, and you'll be logged in seamlessly. Now, here's where the real action begins. Once logged in, navigate your way to the specific page within Notion where you want to add a vertical divider. Click on a text box to start. Here's a pro tip. To initiate commands in Notion, you often start by typing, followed by the command you're looking for. In this case, type in /quote. This is usually a way to insert a block quote, but we're repurposing it for our divider. After you type /quote, click on the quote option from the drop-down menu that appears. Now you'll see a block quote appear on your page. Here's the slightly tricky part. Press Shift and enter multiple times within the quote block. This action inserts multiple line breaks within the quote, essentially expanding its height. Finally, the step that transforms our expanded quote into a vertical divider. Look for a blank text box or create a new one, then drag it to the left side of the quote block you just expanded. You should see a blue vertical line appear indicating you're creating a new column. Release the text box, and voila, the space that appears now acts as a vertical divider on your Notion page. It sounds a bit like a magic trick, doesn't it? Using a quote block and a text box to create a vertical divider might seem unconventional, but it's these creative workarounds that showcase the flexibility and adaptability of Notion as a productivity tool. And there you have it, a simple, clever way to add vertical dividers to your Notion pages. Remember, the beauty of Notion lies in how customizable it is. Don't be afraid to get creative and tweak this method to suit your specific needs. Happy organizing? Happy